Yeah. No, I mean, it's very unfair because the police has been dilly-dallying. I mean, the first offense that was, the first allegation that was charged against him was that he revealed the identity of the victim. And then they realized that that's not true. And then they charged a non-bailable offense that it's a sexually colored remark. But they didn't know what exactly is a sexually colored remark. The worst thing is that they didn't even give us a notice, which they were supposed to do. They just came in one fine evening and told him to come along. Rahul didn't say he won't come along or nothing. I went with him. I drove along. I went. Who will cooperate that way? Anyone would have asked for a notice. But we cooperated that much. So now, in spite of all that, we even handed over the laptop because it's a laptop in which he does all his videos and all that. We handed over that also. Despite all of that, they want to shut him off, to take the focus off a lot of other things. There is a Sabrimala theft issue happening, and there are a lot of other things happening. The elections are coming up, so they just want to shut him off. So, I mean, I'm not a political person, but I'm forced to believe so because after cooperating so much, I don't understand why should he be denied a bail even today.
Even police saying that they have produced a notice to Rahul.
That is absolute lies. That is a heartbreaking point of today's debate was that when they said that they handed over the notice and he didn't accept it. Somebody who wouldn't even ask for a notice and walked away with them, trusting them, and they are saying that we handed over the notice and he didn't. How can people so are they not ashamed to say these kind of lies? So that is really heartbreaking.
Said to
Yeah.
like he's going to a hunger strike.
Yeah, yeah.
How is that?
No, I mean, it's his way of expressing his disappointment over things. So he's planning to go on a hunger fast indefinitely. Yes, we will simultaneously we will move to Sessions Court and High Court.